Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Dell laptop driver. So first you have to come this site www.dell.com, this official website, so you can download the driver. Then click on support and then click on the drivers downloads. Then you can see enter the service tag and serial number if you know. Otherwise you enter the model number Dell 14 plus 2 in 1. Select this. So this is your laptop and you can see there are two methods to install the driver. First, automatic, just click to check the update, so system will scan the required driver. You can see this, then after that you can install. Otherwise you have select, so just click on the select the driver, then by default selected operating system. Scroll down, click on categorize. This is microphone, Wi-Fi driver, storage, video, all driver you can see. Scroll down, network and security, network and Ethernet. So this is your Wi-Fi and Bluetooth all. Just click to download. So completed, then just open, then yes. So you can extract and directly install. So select the install and then click to continue. After that you can see this is installing. It will take some time. It completed, then restart your system. So you can see the success, your software has been updated, and then close it.